Hello ladies and gentlemen, today we were going to be going over an exploit on the target Metasploitable machine with the IP 10.5.4.100. We will be using the Kali Linux machine you see here with 10.5.4.50. We'll be entering through port 80. Let's bring that up. Going to do an nmap of 10.5.4.100 on port 80. As you can see here, port 80 is a TCP port. It's open. It is running Apache version 2.2.8. Clear this out. Open up MSF console. TCP, we're going to search for HTTP version. We have an auxiliary scanner, so we can use 0. Go to the options. Going to set the R host 10.5.4.100. Going to run. As you can see, it's run by Apache 2.2.8. It's powered by PHP and Ubuntu 5.10. To verify that, another thing we can do is run over to Firefox. Check out 10.5.1. The one thing we see that's a problem here is it gives you login information with MSF admin, the username and password. Another thing we can look at are phpinfo.php. Shows us that our version is 5.2.4 with Ubuntu 5.10. It is using a server API of CGI, fast CGI, and a configuration file path of php5/CGI. Exit this, clear this back out. Re-enter MSF console. Since we have an open port, what we can do is see if we can find any directories. 0 for our directory scanner. Go our options. Set the R host to 10.5.4.100. Run. And just from our little scanner, we can see multiple directories that we have access to. Another thing we can look up and use to exploit the system is php_CGI. We have a CGI argument for this particular issue. So we'll use 0. Show our options. We need to set our hosts 10.5.4.100 and set our L hosts 10.5.4.50. We can actually see what's going on. Run the exploit. That should give us a shell. Shows that we are in the variable www. So we'll hop up, see where we're at. TD red team 5. We want to team 5, student 4. We will download my pass.txt, take that information. So if we take this information that we set up in the corner here from our mypass.txt, we run it through CyberChef. If you don't know from viewing it what it is, CyberChef has a magical little magic button. You drag that over, put in your input, and we can see that it's a 64 base code, which gives us a result of red team student 4. Hop up again. Let's see, we have a directory that we're looking for. We'll enter that directory. You see we have the shadow file. Look through the cat file, and we see we have all this lovely information here. We are looking for a particular line. So what we'll do is download Shadow. Because we grabbed the shadow file, I have to go back to the top. Go into etc. And we need to pull the password file. So we will download password. So what that gets us is our shadow and our password file. We will open those up. We only need one bit of information out of this, but you can use this to get all of the information, should it be necessary. Oh, don't need teams. Don't need 3. Just need 4. Save that, close that, open up the shadow. We'll go to clear that out, save, close both, open up a new terminal so we can crack our password. And what we will do is run this through JohnTheRipper. We will combine password and the shadow file. Actually, let's make sure we're in the folder. Okay. Combine the password file with the shadow file. We'll call it target password. It will run through here and give us our answer after decoding the hash that we have gotten. So as you can see here, it has completed its job. It has given us a password of 1G for that particular hash, and we have exfiltrated all our information that we need. From here, we can exit, remove ourselves from the system. And that's all that you need to do to exploit a open Port80. Thank you.